My name is Philip Blackburn, and I'm here today to talk to you about a program at Vancouver Community College called the Provincial Instructor's Diploma Program. The instructor is Prue Moore, and today I'll be talking about instructional strategies. And the topic I have chosen is demonstration. Definition of a demonstration. Performing an activity so that learners can observe how it is done in order to help prepare the learner to transfer theory to practical application. How to demonstrate. Prepare the environment, the class, the forum. Prepare tools. Provide outline for the learner to follow. The demonstration method of presenting. Demonstrating is the process of teaching through examples or experiments. Demonstrations are similar to written storytelling and examples in that they allow students to personally relate to the presented information. Memorization of a list of facts is a detached and impersonal experience, whereas the same information conveyed through demonstration becomes personally relatable. Demonstrations help to raise student interest and reinforce memory retention because they provide connections between facts and the real world applications of the facts. Lectures, on the other hand, are often geared more towards factual presentation than connective learning. This is a mini demonstration of the application of hair color. The tools we'll be using today are capes, gloves, an apron for safety. We'll also be using rolls, brushes, color, a weighing scale, hydrogen peroxide, clips, combs, and also the head sheet for the student to follow along. Second, from the top of the head on the other side of the head, we'll comb straight down to behind the back of the ear and section that hair off. Then in through the back, we'll start at the top and we'll section down to the nape of the neck. And that is our fourth section, 3 and 4. We'll take our clips, we'll simply clip those pieces out of the way like this. And then we can proceed with our hair color. The next step is mixing color. As you can see, I'm wearing safety gloves. We then move to the hydrogen peroxide. We mix in hydrogen peroxide and we mix in color at equal amounts. We then take our brush and we proceed to mix the color together. Start at the very center of the head. We'll take our tail comb. We'll take a 1/2 inch section right to the top and then we'll lay that section out and we'll start to apply some hair color. We'll take another 1/2 inch section and we'll start to apply a little bit of hair color. We will use this procedure to work all the way down to the bottom. This is Louisa, our student, and she's now going to practice the application of hair color. Simply taking and using the tail comb, she'll move to the back, she'll lift the hair up, and she'll apply the color right onto the scalp. And then she'll lay it over. She'll take her next section, a 1/2 inch, she'll pick the hair straight up, and then she will start to apply the hair color. Role of an educator: explain, show, review, provide guided practice, and provide independent practice. The role of the learner: to observe, to make notes, to ask questions, to practice, practice, practice. Advantages: good for visual learners. Learner can see end results. Show steps in order. Skills are retained, and learner can work at their own pace. Disadvantages: large groups may be unable to hear or see clearly. Many people may not be able to duplicate the skills within the time frame. Not so good with other learning styles. In conclusion, demonstration is an extremely effective instructional strategy. The best way to teach how is to show how. Thank you so much for joining us today. Come see us at Vancouver Community College. C'est voilà.